it's really quiet. But I just wanted to make a movie for Eric. He doesn't believe he snores. Eric, you snore. Ryan and Dale's in. Sign off.